Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix Inzoi Insufficient video memory to run the game. So first method is to simply update your graphics drivers. To do this, right click on the Windows icon, go to Device Manager. And here, go to Display Adapters, right click on it and update the driver. Now the second step is go to the search bar and search on Advanced System Settings. Click on it, then here, go to Settings, go to Advanced, then click on the Change button. Oh no, where is it? There, Change. Then untick this, then click on Custom Size, and here, input 163 1 wait lang, where's the 6? 16384. Then again here on the other one, 16384. And then hit on set. Okay, and that's basically it.